Hello and welcome to Healthy Lifestyle. In today's video, we'll show you how to remove dental tartar with natural remedies. But before watching the video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified when we publish a new video. A dentist's help is required for thorough cleaning in order to eradicate dental tartar. However, contrary to popular thought, some herbal treatments may aid to improve dental hygiene. The development of tartar on the teeth is one of the most prevalent oral health issues. It is an issue that has detrimental effects on the teeth and gums because it raises the possibility of infections. Even though we brush our teeth regularly, its presence makes them appear dirty. Additionally, when it worsens, effects like halitosis and teeth rot appear. The occurrence of more serious long-term consequences can be avoided with professional assistance. However, some people think it's possible to use natural therapies, like the ones we'll cover in a moment, to remove tooth tartar. What is tartar? On the surface of the teeth, bacteria, food particles, and mineral salts are combined to form the yellowish material known as tartar. It is a tough layer with a coarse texture that makes eating certain foods easier to stain because it weakens teeth enamel. Its appearance detracts from the aesthetics of the teeth and fosters the growth of microorganisms that cause infections in the teeth and gums. It frequently correlates with the emergence of cavities, gum disease, hemorrhage, tooth loss, periodontal diseases, tartar buildup in the teeth symptoms. As bacteria in the mouth continue to multiply, particularly in the presence of food leftovers, we all acquire plaque on the surface of our teeth. If this layer of plaque is not removed, tartar-like deposits form. Rough yellow or brown spots that mostly appear between the gum line and the lower front teeth are the main symptoms. It frequently comes with issues with inflammation and poor breath. Dental tartar removal methods that are natural. You must enhance your oral hygiene practices and visit the dentist for a cleaning at least once every 6 months, if you want to eradicate dental tartar properly. Some natural therapies might be able to assist remove tartar that has built up, but it's important to remember that you must use them carefully to prevent damage. Never use baking soda solutions more frequently than once per week, as this can weaken and erode tooth enamel. Let's check them out one by one. Making use of baking soda and coconut oil to remove dental tartar. It is thought that combining baking soda and coconut oil will help whiten teeth slightly while also removing more tartar and plaque. Ingredients: 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Optional, 3 drops of mint essential oil. Preparation: combine the ingredients in a bowl and stir until a paste forms. Apply a small amount of the item to the toothbrush and use it like you would toothpaste. Rinse well with water. Note, for better results, some people substitute coconut oil cream for baking soda. Brewer's yeast can be used to remove dental tartar. Brewer's yeast is thought to contain chemicals that stop the growth of bacteria on teeth, yet there is no scientific proof to support this. It aids in softening the tartar-forming residues when combined with a little salt. Ingredients: water, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of brewer's yeast. Preparation: in a bowl, blend all the ingredients until they are smooth. To remove tartar without harming the gums, rub the cure on the teeth with a toothbrush. Rinse well with water. Finally, you can perform one more rinse with your regular mouthwash. Activated carbon is a substance that has gained popularity recently since it is said to naturally whiten teeth. It can be used to remove dental tartar. Because of this, it is now simple to locate at parapharmacies, in a variety of forms, and as an ingredient in a wide range of goods, including toothpaste. However, regular use has been demonstrated to be harmful because, like bicarbonate, it can weaken teeth and erode tooth enamel. To remove tartar and whiten teeth, some people produce a DIY toothpaste with a small amount of this ingredient. They use it occasionally and mix some into their mouthwash. Both situations call for extreme prudence. Note, to prevent any discomfort, it is advised that you speak with your dentist before using any activated charcoal remedies. Is a trip to the dentist always required to have dental tartar removed? Even though there are numerous claims that these solutions can help eliminate tartar, it is always advisable to visit the dentist for a full cleaning at least twice a year, once every 6 months, to keep the oral cavity clear of tartar and other problems like tooth decay. Don't forget to practice good dental hygiene practices and contact your dentist for guidance on the best course of action. The use of natural therapies should only be supplemented occasionally. We have reached the end of our video. Check out our description, there we have linked products that will help you live a healthier life. Also, please like the video and leave a comment below. Subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle and I'll see you in the next video.